at walking around on the strip. We are right outside the beautiful Mirage, and we're about to head back to the camper and try out a new cooking product. We've got a Dash Mini Bundt cake maker. Well, we're back at the camper. Zena has just been hanging out, and we've got our mini Bundt maker here. So I just want to unbox this for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I really like the colors that these mini Dash appliances come in. Here it is. This is the tool that you use to lift the cake out of the cooker. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. You just put this down and then you put in your batter. Shut the lid, and then once it's done, you take this out, and it even has a little cookbook in here, I'm guessing, just like the mini Dash rice cooker I reviewed. And this is the cookbook. Can't wait to try it out. Now I just wiped everything down with a damp cloth, and then I plugged it in, and right now it's starting to heat up. All of the recipes say that it should heat up for about 10 minutes. Now, the one thing that I am kind of bummed about is all of the recipes they have included in the book make many, many cakes. Like this one, orange olive oil bundt cake. It makes 6 cakes, and I don't really want to make that many. So thankfully, I planned ahead, and I got these little microwave cakes. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to work or if one mix is going to be too much for the bundt cake maker, but once it's heated up, we're just going to mix up one of these packets and we're going to see if it works. Now, according to the recipe book, we should fill up the bottom 3/4 of the way because the cake will rise and fill up the whole mold. So the indicator light turned off. So that's only on when it's heating, and we've got our cake batter mixed up right here. So let's see how much of this needs to go in there to fill it up. 3/4 of the way. And the one mug cake batch filled it up about 3/4 of the way. So now we're just going to shut the lid, and we are going to wait about 9 minutes. Now, it's only been about 4 minutes. It does smell really good. I'm just going to check on it. And it is starting to get a little bit browned. And as you can see, it's a little bit brown around the sides. I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to take it out and see if it looks done. It feels pretty firm. I don't have any toothpicks to check it. Let's flip it over. Now, I did forget to put non-stick on this.
It's not done.
Mr. Cameraman has decided that he is the chef now. It's not done, so we're going to put it back in for a while longer. Okay, it's been 9 minutes. Now, like I said, I forgot to put non-stick spray on this. So, we are going to attempt to just wiggle it out. So, obviously, it says it's non-stick. It's not very non-stick. You need to spray it or put butter on it. But, this is what our finished cake looks like. It's so cute. It's just like a little baby bundt cake. Let's put some frosting on this thing. Well, I think after the cake was frosted, it turned out pretty cute. I definitely recommend this super cute little Dash Mini Bundt maker. Zena is very excited to try our cake. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.